Thank you, John. When I got invited to talk about TTS, I wasn't sure which kind of team I wanted to take. We are currently looking for $4 to $5 million for our next move, and it is becoming a very interesting experience. So I thought I would talk about financing this platform of biocomposites. But then on the other hand, I figured I still have to talk about TTS, where we started, where we are going. And this morning, listening to all that was being presented, I felt I really don't have to do too much or dwell on financing, because hopefully the most financiers are around. They're not waiting until their presentation. And why I'm saying that is, it's very easy now to do just about anything. Just if we summarize everything what has been discussed this morning, including foretelling what is to happen in your food process, that could happen in materials processing as well. That's an application for your technologies. There is almost nothing impossible to do, at least in the field I am in. So the future is great. So I kind of felt a little bit more encouraged and just move forward presenting about TTS and how where we started from and where we are going. We're incorporated in '98, located in Edmonton, as an applied products development and testing facility, primarily providing consulting services to the wood industry, where I spent my earlier time. That was making money for us, but the vision was different. Since then, the laboratory has evolved with ISO 17025 accreditation for testing laboratory. We also have, we are to date the only composite products development laboratory with microwave technology. And we believe we are leaders in engineered wood composites. You can turn that to being biocomposites. And we get involved, or our mainstay is biocomposites development. Our mission to provide leading edge technology and expertise to develop biomaterials. Our value, which we try to follow literally, we are respectful of others, individuals, communities, and the environment. All our product development is driven with those values. And we are resourceful because we are too small. There's not much money, so we got to be resourceful. And not only that, we very strongly believe in bringing value to our customers on the consulting side. Here is a brief view of our laboratory facilities, the testing side, the product development side. What you see there is this section is the continuous microwave technology, the back section, fiber preparation and the feeding section. That's a new addition in line in there, which is a needle loom for fiber mat construction. So far as I know, we are the only development laboratory in Canada, if not in the United States, using this combination of pilot technologies using natural fibers. None of this is new. Got to go back. The needle loom is not a new thing, but except that it's an old technology, except that it has been processing fabrics and synthetic fabrics, and including cotton. So with that facility, we consider our core competencies in process technology development, continuous microwave technology, and its applications for several composite products. And also natural fiber resource characterization, fiber resin compatibility, effects of fiber geometry, effects of different fiber mix. At this point, actually, I like to mention that I was quite happy I didn't have to defend the straw-board technologies and all that. When we did an excellent job earlier as to how they failed. On the one hand, they had to fail for us to succeed. It could have been anybody, a lot of smart people involved in those things. Dow with all its scientists and the millions of dollars. But we tried, as Wayne mentioned, we were watching those and we were learning from them. And those things are very well mitigated right now. At least in the technical world or the scientific world, we believe we have mitigated most of those problems. The problem remains, though, with the funding sources. They're not about to get burned twice. So that continues to be a challenge. We are slowly getting out of that. So in this area, what we did in building know-how about this, what we've done is we decided in 2002 that we are no more a forest products operation, although we were born out of there. We said we are a biofiber products operation. And very nicely and timely, the Alberta government, most of you may have seen it, in 2006, the Alberta government decided fiber is fiber. A white paper or a policy paper came out as the Alberta Biofiber Roadmap, which suggests or wishes that we consider biofibers as biofibers, not forestry, not agriculture. But the implementation of that policy is a challenge because we are still trying to get the forestry guys and the agriculture guys to work together. Different sets of experiences. So that's, I think, in part is being mitigated by the starting of Alberta Innovates, which has put in under its umbrella both these camps, but it's only, 6 months old? It started at the beginning of this year. And hopefully the brains will work together in that regard